Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again, you know. Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one. Yes, I'm here again. Alright, my people, I have a video right here I'm going to present to you. This video is going to show a sound clash between two sound systems. One of those sound systems goes by the name of Perry's International, and the other sound system goes by the name of Sound Trooper. This video is going to show a competition between two DJs using two different sound systems to play dub plates for dub plates. Some people might say them play songs for songs, and some people might say them play dub for dub. You see what I say? So based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, you can tell me which one of these DJs or sound systems win this part of the clash, because this video only shows a part of the clash, number people. This video don't show all of the clash. You understand? So more you tell me what you think. Alright? Now, you might hear some harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me.
Very international, you come to run dancehall. Don't ever sing the song. Very international, you know you don't want to make them.
What? As it start?
Original soul like Sound Trooper, man, easy. 90s, man, you like Jamaica, man, the gun. It's like Germany, Alpo, you like Dreamers. Original man from the 90s, you don't know. You don't have name. You know. So Sound Trooper, you're dead. People make you run around the side. Complete the boss of it, and Sound Boy, Henry, you're dead. Every sound gonna kill sound today.
You hear that? No, sir. Classical dub plate that. Classical dub plate that we just hear a while ago, people. DMX dub plate, Trooper. What? Blows and skirt, bun up. Snoop Dogg, yo, nah man, no joke. DMX again. Joking the plate, them brother. Nelly! Yo, no man, no sir. I'm not joking dub plate thing this, yo. This is not joking dub for dub thing. Yeah, listen. Listen, these people. Listen. No, sir. I'm not joking, clashes. No, sir.
Greetings to the world, vice of the one called Big Dancehall. Sound Trooper, Ricky Trooper, give yourself to Sound Killer. Yes, Lion you, Zion.
And some heavy dub plate them people.
The girl and box. The girl and money and me out and I bring the whole and come dash out from Father Perry. The one I put you there now. The boy if you know some pastor is murder. Why I put you there, man? Well, Father Perry, I got if you know so this one the Wickid this medley. Every sound war come against Perry. You have to quick it cause Perry is deadly. Well, Perry, the boy if you have to be so medley. Well, come and tell me come sit on the books now. What will I go tell him, Perry? Well, some boy is the man of female. What is it? Say books there. Perry girl and everybody.
And it is ridiculous the way out super sound play. Now here's the Ricky because of the powers of you. Salute! This is a deadly medley. God is mercy.
Yo. Yo. Nah, man. Shabarans. Yo! Yo! Star!
Keep them shining on this. The amount of the play to complain of people, them love it, them love it too far. Have the most music. Alright,
Near one people, just a clash of relay.
Real sound rock around the world, you know. And Shabba runs for Empire, Shabba runs for Empire, Shabba runs for Empire. How many fun? Very international. Now we the Father Perry. How many fun to spend? What? We don't care what it is. Very much very fun, okay? Don't matter what they did, I do. Shabba runs for certain mistakes. Loud and clear, don't end up in the ear. I bet people don't say like that. Always you, a part of his Brigadier Jerry. Yes, Colonel Joe's Wheel. General Echo. Yeah, man, I'm a set up without compromise. You see your last them? You see your last them? Watch this. Ricky Trooper, Trooper sound. So, when the girls on the bed, put your bonus and I want to hold up.
Pop, not too bad.
Jesus God Almighty. I want music, I let it think in most of the world when it's what about you want to come play against the sun and international. Ezekiel, I'm going to play against Perry that they thinking about the feel better alone and run up people like a dance and they want you to keep that tune when you play. At the same time, when I go by this old time because it's boring. Me say, whenever no one man more good at things again. I want to come play against Big Bad Perry International Sound and Dance. Perry said, I'm thinking more boy for dead. Ezekiel, you know, say I can't eat time for community. Me glad me never did it. Me did the boy that want to eat me too. Him about dead, you know.
Yeah, you be dead.
Me could show them how to people in a dance, yeah.
No mercy. Jump on sound of the dead. Every international chop on the neck. On them mountain. You run the contest, champion. Very soon.
Tape up.
Why some trooper, you're really highly, man. I'm high on the truth. Why you left Kingston and come here and come play against radio? You have a big soul, the most of the big, you never know say one video come play against the city, you know some good men are there, you know. Yeah, tell you say that the sound didn't have not many in quality.
Counteraction that you know this.
I'm even run for it too. So when you hear the boy them put on the dub thing a while ago once they say never play. Me say come we put with ears near the back so they can hear which artist that. Can me tell you say that a wheeling crops is no power. And the boy over there say lift up your hand him need a shower. Lord of God have mercy. In dead you know.
Yo! That sound like Lieutenant Stitchy. Trust me. Oh, with them, Lord. No, Jano, no. Paris. Alright, you know what? People, me not gonna say nothing. I wouldn't have to tell me what you think with that. No. That don't.
This selector, rule the nation with top plates and not version. And in a place like that.
Wow.
Remember me tell you how to be mad. You know, right now, with the light of the protection song. Whoa, wicked too bad sound, yeah. Sound boy, you girl sitting on your face and it up and fall. You girl sitting on your face and you have no thought. Yeah.
Some innocent people. When Perry sound makes no member. Perry Kuna getting tangled with no farmer dirty bounty bone. So now we are not with we. Because Perry sound now we are not we don't know. I'm here to my full eviction. I bust it on that one. I want man found the young Perry town. You see them found you over the floor and play them father Perry. Them die there from
Yo, this is a No, my people, for real. That clash there, no. Joking clash, my people. Believe me. Some of them don't play it there, what me hear, right? Some of them songs, I don't play Jamaicans call it. Some of them don't play it there, me hear, my people. I'm not joking, don't play it them there. No. Nelly, DMX, Snoop Dogg, yeah? All wanna go, hey. We can't remember that better than you. You see, my people are some heavy dub plates me here. You see me I say? Y'all wanna go? Some boy gonna kill you here today. That one. Yeah, that I'm not joking. That a classical dub plates. That's how me call that. My people, I am going to tell you who I think win this part of the sound clash. Not the overall sound clash. Because remember now, this video is only piece of the sound clash this video show. You understand? And on a real, I saw heavy dub plates them here. See? Yeah, but I'm gonna tell you who I think win this part of the sound clash in the comment section of this video. You understand? Yeah, not in this video. Yeah, in the comment section of this video I'm going to tell them people. But on a real, that clash there, a clash in a normal. Jano, Ricky Chupa, full of dub plates. Perry's International, you have dub plates. Yo, a big showdown that my people. See? So anyways, let me know who you think win this part of the sound clash. And yes, I'm not gonna left it. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm big up on yourself. You see?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.